It's Shivaratri, and how it's possible that I will not upload any painting for you? Yep, here is one easy painting for you about this Shivaratri. Thank you so much for stopping by. Subscribe my channel to make it at least 5k. Hi friends, it's Kelly and you are welcome back to our channel Knowledge and Beauty. So guys, today I will show you one another step-by-step drawing with painting. And I think this will be very much easy for you because in every step-by-step you can also listen the tutorial in this video. So let's get started. Here I have taken only one canvas, blue, black, white, fabric color, water and brushes. And here my target is to make Lord Shiva with minimal strokes of brushes. So for that sake, first of all, I am dropping some blue color here. And maybe now you are thinking why I am taking blue color. Cause maybe I think it's really one sober color. See, first of all, what I am doing, I am taking black color with blue. Okay, and here I am trying to put one shape of the face of Lord Shiva. And for that I am doing here. You can see what I am doing, that I am giving some shade. I am trying to make one face about this from this shade only. It almost afternoon time, but I want to finish one Lord Shiva art because today is Shivaratri, and if I am not doing anything, like my mood will not be that much good, I can do anything, like I can't eat also. So I thought, why not, I'm trying some easy Lord Shiva painting. That's why I am doing it. It's really easy and maybe it will take your 1.5 hours or hardly 2 hours. Okay, so it's really easy. I'm telling you, you can do it. Okay, and also here you can see I'm taking some flower and I will use it when I will make the colors of this canvas. Okay, you obviously can watch that and the last portion. Okay, so here one rough sketch, no, it's not a sketch, but still one rough painting I have done for the face of Lord Shiva. Now I am doing the hair portion of Lord Shiva. You can see the hair portion. Maybe from this hair I will make some snake. Okay, and here I will create Ganga Devi. So you can see I am doing the face of Ganga Devi, face, eyes, lips and her hair. Then I will draw some clothes for her, and here again I am trying to draw some snake but giving some design on it. Okay, Lord Shiva means here we have to add some snake, we have to add one trishul, that will all be there, and also we can't forget the moon here. Okay, so on the head, or you can say on the hair of Lord Shiva, there almost will be one moon. Okay, one half moon you can say, and also this significant this mark. Okay, so whenever you put these things, trishul, this Lord Shiva mark, that time only everyone can understand that maybe you are going to make one Lord Shiva. Okay, so that's why I am doing, and now you can see what I am doing. I am dropping out some colors with water so that it will look like someone is splitting the color on canvas. Okay, like that only I am trying to make. Okay, so here it's coming. So you can obviously see that here I am not using one specific color. I am using blue, but here I am trying to give some shades of blue. Maybe 5 to 6 shades of blue I am using here by using the blue color and the black color. And I think at last I will use white color, maybe or not, I don't know. That you can watch. If you watch till the end, then obviously you can watch that. It's only the rough situation of this painting, and obviously I will do more and more detailing because I love to do this detailing very much. Okay, so here you can see I'm starting with the detailing with this very small brushes. I love this brush because whenever you do some detailing, then it will give you a pleasure whenever you are giving some stroke with this brush. You can see here how perfectly it works. So here also you can see again I am splitting some color. I am taking this flower, and this steps is very much favorite to me. I have taken one flower and I have taken the color, and I was splitting on the canvas by using this flower. So this color has been given one another texture when you are using the flower or when you are using your hands to give the color on canvas. Okay, so here in the hair of Lord Shiva you can see some snakes types of things happened. Okay, again I am using the flower and I am dropping these colors here and there so that it will gives a good look. Here it will gives a shape like that. Only I will do all the detailing in the face of Lord Shiva. Here you can see that many things I have to do, many things. I have to do all the detailings. I have to put it in a shape so that it will looks good. I have to make the necklace, and I have to make some significant of Lord Shiva like Trishul, Damru. It's all we have to do here. So one by one you can see that I'm doing the earrings, the ear of Lord Shiva. Here also I have to put more and more black color so that it will give one shadowing picture of Lord Shiva. What I wanted that here it will gives Lord Shiva structure by with minimal strokes of brushes. Like you can see here what I am doing. I am going with that path only. I am taking only this blue color, which sometimes I am mixing with black or white, but mainly I am using blue color. You can see here now I am dropping some color so that it will gives a vibes of here and there water. I know it will looks like amazing. Guys, please let me know how it's looking like now. It's not completed, but let me know how you found this art. Okay, so you can see here again I am concentrating on the detailing of the background, like where all the shape will come from here, and the Lord Shiva faces will be in between this color. Okay, it's like if you are throwing some blue color, Lord Shiva's face will appear in that color, like that only it's coming out. Okay, so here I am doing all of these things, and guys let me know how it is. Now you can see more and more detailing I am doing, and whenever you will do more and more detailing, the picture will be much more amazing, which was without detailing. Okay, obviously you have to do this because without doing any detailing every painting will be lifeless. So if you want more liveliness in your painting, then please do some detailing. That detailing will make your picture much more amazing, much more liveness will brings into your picture, so that it will be looks good. Not only good, it will gives your picture one live vibes. Okay, and yeah, that's it. You can see it how it's coming out. I think I got the point whatever I have wanted, like that only it's showing. So guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, then please like this, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, because whenever you will subscribe, then it will motivate me to create more and more new things. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye, take care.